Good morning, everybody. Here's your core bytes number 149. The first one says, is 12,341 divisible by 5? And so to figure that out, you've got to look at your last digit right here. It's a 1. The only way that this number could be divisible by 5, which means you could divide it by 5, would be if it ends in a 0 or a 5. And if you look at it, it ends in a 1. So that means, no, you could not equally divide that number into 5. You would actually end up with a remainder. For number 2, we're going to multiply, and we're going to make it easy and just add all those zeros. So 8 times 2 is going to give you 16, and then just add the zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add your 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then count back based on the periods. So every 3 zeros, you're going to put a comma. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. And so you would end up with 1,600,000. For the next one, we're looking at some fractions, trying to see which one is true. So we have 7 over 2, which would be an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So 7 halves is greater than 2 sevenths, but is 2 sevenths greater than 3? No, because 3 is 3 wholes, right? So here we have 3 is greater than 7 over 2, and that is greater than 2 over 7. So actually, 2 times 3 gives you 7 plus a remainder, so that's not true because that's more than 3. Here we have 7 over 2 is greater than 3, which we found out here, and then that is greater than 2 over 7. So that is your best answer for that one. And then for number 4, it says Madison bought a dozen donuts for $4.95. She gave the clerk a $5 bill. How much change did she receive? Okay, so she had $5 total. She spent $4.95 on the donuts. Okay, so you can do it in your head. It's very easy, but we just want to see the steps to get there. Okay, so we're going to regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down your decimal. 4 minus 4 is 0. So your answer is actually going to be a nickel. She's going to get 5 cents back. 5 cents back. And then for the last one, what shape is represented? So as you can see, each side of this triangle is equal to the other sides. So this is what we call an equilateral triangle. All right, guys, please let us know if you have questions. We do have a Core Bytes quiz coming up. Do your best.